Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about our Gelous Nail Art Brushes, what each one does and how to get the best results from them. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Before you begin your nail art, wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe to remove tackiness. The short liner brush gives ultimate control, perfect for delicate details like hearts, leaves, stars, outlines, tiny shapes, or letters. To create small hearts, use your double-ended dotting tool to place 2 dots of a dozen roses side by side to form the top of the heart. Then use the short liner brush to pull the polish down into a point to complete the shape. Our medium liner brush is designed for precise line work, freehand French tips, and mid-sized nail art like stars, petals, small swirls, or checkers. For stars, use your double-ended dotting tool dipped in blackout to place a small dot in the center of the nail. Then use the short liner brush to paint 2 long lines extending up and down from the center. Add 2 shorter lines to the left and right to finish the star shape. Our long liner brush is perfect for creating smooth lines, swirls, and wavy designs. For swirls, use Tropicana, starting at one end of the nail, then guide the brush in a gentle curve. Drag it slowly to create a smooth flowing swirl, adjusting the pressure as you go to keep the design neat and controlled. You can add details by increasing the thickness or incorporating extra colors such as whiteout. The small round brush is great for blooming gel, nail art, applying gel polish and cleaning up polish on your skin. For tortoiseshell nail art with blooming gel, start with a coat of maple. Apply a thin coat of blooming gel and leave it uncured. Pat patches of stumped onto the nail, then cure for 60 seconds. Apply another thin coat of blooming gel and leave it uncured. Then pat blackout over the top of stumped and into any gaps to create the tortoiseshell effect. Our round brush is a larger version of the previous brush. It's also great for blooming gel nail art, applying gel polish and cleaning up polish on your skin. For marble nail art with blooming gel, apply a thin coat of blooming gel and leave it uncured. Pick up whiteout and swirl it up the nail. Starting at the cuticle, repeat this step to add more detail or to layer a different color. The Ombré brush is specially designed to create smooth gradient blends with ease. For ombre, paint a thin coat of angelic and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Paint top coat to the bottom half of your nail and island escape, slightly overlapping them where they meet. Using the ombre brush, gently swipe back and forth over the join, keeping your strokes light and even to blend the colors. Repeat the motion, adding thin layers of polish if needed, until you achieve a seamless effect. Our angled brush has a slanted edge, which is perfect for angled designs, cleaning up polish and tidying up nail art outlines. For an angled French tip, dip the brush into rain dance. Place the brush onto your nail on an angle and glide towards the tip. Clean your brush, then dip it in Heart of the Ocean, repeating this step on the other side. And that's our full nail art brush collection, designed to make every detail easier and cleaner. Thanks for watching!